Hey guys, welcome to Decipher and welcome to the video. In this video, I'll try to tell you what you can do to come out of multiple debts and also about insolvency petition. Let's say Mr. X, in order to establish his own business, has obtained loan from many unsecured lenders and banks by mortgaging his own property in good faith to develop in his life. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, his business did not do well and he couldn't pay the interest or clear the loans. His outstanding due exceeded the values of his assets and the moneylenders began to force Mr. X to pay their money back. Mr. X now went into an insolvent stage and decided to file an insolvent petition. What is an insolvency stage? It is a stage where the borrower cannot pay his loan amount to the lenders due to financial losses. Insolvency stage can be resolved, but if untreated, insolvency will lead to bankruptcy. How to file an insolvent petition? As per Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, an IP can be filed in a district court. After analyzing whether the conditions for filing of bankruptcy have been met and there exists a genuine cause, the court may accept the application. Until the decision on the application is taken, an interim receiver takes possession of the property of the debtor. If the application is admitted, the court can apply a stay on any legal proceedings against the property or assets of the debtor. In other words, you get a stay order against further recovery efforts by your creditors. Your property lies with the receiver appointed by the court to, and he distributes your assets to your lenders proportionally. All of your assets are measured and evaluated, and then these assets may be used to repay a portion of outstanding debt. Once this process is completed, you are termed to be discharged from bankruptcy. Now you can start a new life without being hounded by your previous creditors. But remember, filing an IP is a final resort, and the person who files it may not get any loans in the future, and he cannot remain as a director of a company, cannot participate in elections or be a public servant, etc. Can you go to prison for your debts? Well, the answer is no. There are no prisons for debtors in India, and any such imprisonment will be unconstitutional. But you can go to prison if you commit any fraud relating to the debts you owe. For example, if you take a housing loan using fake papers, etc.